When you think you're a champ at chess, think again. This is Chess Valley. We're going through the valley of the shadow of death. Come on, King. We are meant to rule and to reign. Let's go. Maybe I am the champ. Today, it'll show forth and manifest. I can't go that way. Got to go around these little pawns. Why is a king scared of a pawn? Doesn't he have a sword? Come on, man. Come on, man. I am home. Honey, I'm home. Oh, I want a massage from all the stress. This is the only way I can go. You gotta hug the knights. Go around. Please don't let there be any... I didn't look if there was any bishops. I'm okay, I'm okay. Oh, I'm okay, I'm okay. Oh, yeah. Make me a sandwich. Ooh, sniper attack. There's nowhere to go. Oh, I can go over here. Man. I still don't know if these are randomly generated. No. What? Oh, he's on the white square. Jeez. Mind games much? Okay. Playing mind games with me. As long as I play this calm and... Wait, he's on the white square, right? Oh, I gotta go back and see. There's a pawn blocking him? Okay, so everything's good. I don't know. Ooh, calm down, man. Don't step on the white square over there. So up, left, up. No, right, up. I don't even know my left from right now. I'm so scared. Okay. Oh, jeez. Peeing my pants on this one. Figure of speech, though. I didn't look to see if there's any sniper bishops. Wow, this one was easy, right? Wow, I don't feel any stress at all. I'm actually relaxed. There's no way it was that easy. Ooh, I see that rook over there. Dang it. What do I do then? I can't get past him. Stay on this lane. Don't fail me, controller. Oh man, what is happening? I gotta go around this block. I don't remember. There's a rook down there though, right? Okay, he's down there. Don't forget to breathe. That's important. In all things in life, you must breathe. Oh my gosh, I am so glad to see you guys. You guys. Suffering. The things I go through just get to my family. Wow, this looks really easy. Wait. White square. I have to go around. White square. There's a bishop down there. I saw that guy, man. I saw that guy. Come on now. White square, bishop. Don't touch the white squares. Oh my gosh. Let's hug the knight. Don't step on that one. And there's another knight over there. I don't think he can get me there. Oh, I was supposed to go towards the knight, one in the straight line. Okay. I get it. Hug the knights. Go all the way around. Wow, this really pushes my brain out of my skull, dude. Whoa, controller glitch. Okay. hug the knight. Go around. I did that move 3 times in a row! I'm yelling. Ow, I bit my mouth. Ah!